Hello there guys, welcome to another spontaneous vlog. Here are the bikes. We've just stopped at Jammu. Harley Davidson. Devendra Singh Rana sir has been so good to us. Even Adi, his son, they have invited us over on our way back. So रुकना तो बनता था. So now having come here, कुछ ना कुछ bike तो चलाना ही है. And this is my favorite, all-time favorite cruiser, the Harley Davidson Fat Boy. The 107 engine is absolutely divine and sublime. This has around 144 Newton meters of torque, I believe. I loved it the time I reviewed it. Now I'm going to ride this right off the showroom. First, let me collect the key fob. Let's hop on. This red color is my personal favorite. Wow, it's in neutral. This is something I gotta used to because I've been riding the Sport Tourer and the Daytona back home. Let's ride through the city of Jammu. Off we go. Oh, some kind of a problem with this, maybe slightly pulling to the right, but anyway, lower center of gravity really gives you that planted feel once you get going. Wow, you feel like the king of the road once you start riding the Fat Boy. Fattest rear tire, I think 240 section at the back. You can make it even fatter with a wide tire kit, I guess, but such a satisfying feel. Nice low slung, laid back seating posture, and absolutely out of this world comfort, and the proper torquey V-twin makes it an absolute delight to enjoy every mile with a broad smile across your face. I think you're gonna turn around here. Let's just turn around. Be a little watchful. A little wider turn. Wow. Woohoo! What a machine. Beautiful. Off we go, shooting through the cars. This is brilliant. The weather is absolutely perfect. Nice overcast conditions here, and brilliant company. Jugraj, a person who loves touring and traveling, has done a lot of touring on his bike. Absolute joy talking to the man himself. I think something's wrong with the tire pressure or something. Doesn't feel as confident as it should, but it is very relaxing and a very pleasant pleasant day to begin with. We've done all the hard work, been to Khardungla, we've been to Zojila twice. The second time Zojila was really tough. I wish I had the GoPro on. I don't know whether it's in neutral or not. So now it's in neutral. We have a nice wide open road ahead, brilliant weather, clean roads. Doesn't get better than this. Off we go. Wow, shoots like a rocket. This is absolutely crazy machine. One of the finest Harley Davidson models ever. One of the favorite models that I love. The Fat Boy. Even the Fat Bob has a rustic feel to it, more like a post-apocalyptic world kind of a feel, like a Mad Max universe kind of a feel, the Fat Bob. And I love the new Pan America. I was hoping that I'll find it here, but they say it's on its way and it'll be landing at the showroom soon. Oh, the return of the cows. Gotta be really careful with these. You never know when they're gonna freak out. So I think it's better we turn around now. Our joyride is over. It's been a brilliant morning ride. Let's turn around. Okay. Woohoo! But the torque and the feel of the bike is just brilliant. Absolutely amazing torque. Super torquey machine. I love the red color. Man, it looks killer. Absolutely killer. Oh, here we go. I feel like the Terminator. Schwarzenegger rode the Fat Boy in Terminator 2. Such a brilliant machine. And we gotta take a left here into the service road. Brilliant experience it's turning out to be. But lovely morning, lovely ride, great company, biker brothers to hang out with. Can't ask for more. Missing Devendra sir, if only he was here. Great personality, very charming and full of energy. Let's park it from where we took it. Okay, off we go. Awesome. Jugraj bhai, torque is really good. It's an absolute torque machine. Felt like the Terminator. This is the same bike he rode, right? Fat Boy, back in 20 years back. Terminator 2. Yeah. Yeah. Jugraj is the person. Such a joy to meet you, Jugraj. Great memories, great conversation with you. Maybe next time we'll spend more time. Maybe we can go around the city and you can help us explore. Catch up on some ride. Yes, and we'll next time we'll also make sure Devendra sir joins us. So thanks. That's pretty much it, guys. This is our quick fire kind of a date with this gorgeous scarlet red beauty, and looks absolutely divine, rides even better. Hopefully I'll get to own this someday, but for now my date with this woman in red ends right here on a happy note with a broad smile from Jugraj. We have other biker brother there as well, and Kiran is always busy on the phone. He's called Mr. iPhone because he doesn't let go of his phone. But thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Until then, take care, God bless, and ride safe.